Well, hello YouTube, Byron at Splitting Slices. It is Tuesday, October 22nd, 2024, a little after 10 in the morning Eastern Daylight Savings Time. And we're going to do part 2 of my 4-part 500 subs giveaway. It's time to draw a winner for both the second display case and the Rough Rider model number 2647. That is the 30th anniversary Trapper. So let's get to it. Here is the video that you had to follow all of the rules included in the description. There were a lot of them, I know. Guys, secret words, you had to watch 2 different videos and leave the right words, yada, yada, yada. But guess what? It's time to draw that winner. So let's go ahead and do so. Here's the video. I'm going to grab that URL. We are going to go, well, it would help if I actually copied that to the clipboard. We're going to go to the random comment picker and we are going to paste that URL into the screen. We are going to filter for duplicate comments. We are going to filter for comments by words or hashtags, and the secret word on this video that you had to leave was Trapper. Just the word Trapper. Now, you also, in order to qualify to win or be an alternate on this contest, you also had to watch and respond with a secret word to the instructional video on how to properly use the display case. So I hope all of you did that. I will double check all the names that I draw today to make sure that indeed was the case. I do my sum. We're going to get the YouTube comments. We had 62 total comments, but we've got 53 that qualify for the drawing. So we are going to go ahead and we are going to select the winner of this giveaway. Here we go. David Curl, 5418. David Curl, 5418. Awesome Trapper buddy. I really like those blue covers. Well, David, congratulations. That is awesome. David was actually the winner of a secret giveaway not too long ago on my channel. And David, you have won the display case and the 30th anniversary Trapper. So David, within 72 hours, let's just say before 11:59 p.m. this Friday, I need you to contact me, email me at splittingslices@gmail.com. All one word, splittingslices@gmail.com. Send me your personal contact information. I should have it, but follow the rules. Send me an email anyway. I'll have you follow up with some return information to prove a few things. And then if you've followed all the requirements, I hope you watched that second instructional video. You will be my winner. Now, if for some reason David doesn't come through, let's go ahead and pick 2 alternates. And if for some reason David doesn't make it in time, well, we'll have a few extra backups. So here we go. We're going to our first alternate. Filter comments, duplicate users. We'll add Trapper. We will go down, do our sum of 5. Let's get YouTube comments. We have 53 comments. It was the same as before, so that's good. And we are going to pick our first alternate. So it's at Daniel E. Pizza, P-I-Z-A. I hope that's the right pronunciation. At Daniel E. Pizza. Beautiful 5th pocket Trapper. Oh, well, if you've got large pockets, it certainly is. So Daniel, again, if you would, you are the first alternate. I need you to also please send me your personal information, your screen name here, which I have, but you may go by a different account name or channel name. If you send me a screenshot of that channel page, that's actually the best. I will follow up with return information for some additional proof. And for both alternates, if for whatever reason you don't end up being selected as the alternate winner, I will send you out some sticker swag packs. So Daniel E. Pisa is my first alternate. Let's go ahead and get a second alternate just in case. We will drop in the URL. We will filter by the word trapper. We will go down. We will do our sum. We will get YouTube comments. Again, should be 53. That is correct. And let's draw our second alternate. Here we go. Second alternate is Jeff Jackson 5331 at Jeff Jackson 5331. That is a sweet looking trapper, Byron. That's your key word. Thank you guys for everybody who has participated in the giveaway so far. Again, remember all the rules for the video and for this giveaway were in the description. You needed to subscribe. You need to have commented properly on 2 different videos. And we have selected a winner and 2 alternates. So, Jeff Jackson, my second alternate. Daniel E. Pisa, my first alternate, but the winner of the second giveaway, if everything is followed, is David Curl 5418. All right, folks, that concludes this giveaway. Thank you for joining me, and please continue to support the channel. This is Byron from Splitting Slices. Say, split a slice with a friend soon. And until the next one, take care.